Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be demoing a kids and teen friendly crochet braid. Usually I don't do this, but today I'm going to be doing it. I wish I had a child to do it on, but I don't. So of course I'm going to be doing it on myself, and I will be using the Lulutress Passion Twist by Sensationnel. I have it in the color 99J. It's 12 inches long. Perfect for kids. Okay, so if you're looking for something to put on your kids or your teen, definitely check this out because it's actually really pretty and it's very lightweight as well. You see the curl pattern. Of course, we all know the Passion Twist. It came out a little while now and it was really popular when it came out. I'm pretty sure it's still popular because I still see a lot of folks wearing it. But anyway guys, each pack comes with 12 pieces in it. I had 5 packs in total, so that's what I used, 12 strands in each pack. So I'm literally going to jump straight into it, no long talk. So first of all, I braided my hair. This is a braid pattern that I decided to use. You see on the sides, my braid is a little bit thicker than the ones in the middle, and that's because wherever I decided to part it, whether it's center or side part, I wanted it to be really close together, because a lot of the times if you make your part a little too big or separated, the part would look a little bit too wide, so I didn't want that. And that's the only little piece I had remaining at the back. So I'm going to show you guys what I did to hide this piece at the back. So this is what the braids look like. It's pre-looped crochet braid, so it's very easy to install. You only have to loop it once, not twice. Okay, so what I did now, I pretty much just crocheted the braid on top of the loose hair just to keep it down. So that's all you have to do to keep it down. You're going to continue crocheting the hair on top of the braid. And when I say continue crocheting, not one braid, I mean you crochet about a couple of them over the braid. See, like that, you just make one loop. You only need one loop and it's good, it's perfect. It's gonna stay on there, it's not gonna come off. But yeah, that's pretty much all you're gonna do to keep that braid down. So remember when I told you guys that I had 5 packs? I used all 5 packs, but I needed way more than 5 packs. Okay, so that's 3 full packs at the back right there, and you can tell you see a lot of space in between that. I mean, if you're using this for a child, you may just need 5 packs because of course their head would be smaller. But if you want it really full, I would suggest getting about 8 packs because it's not just for kids, adults can use it as well. So if you want it really full, especially the way it is on the stock card, I would suggest you get like 8 packs, probably even 10, you know, because I really wasn't feeling it. I think it needed a lot more, especially at the back, even at the front, because like I said, it was 12 pieces in each pack, and if I used 3 at the back, that means I only had 24 pieces left for the front, and that definitely was not enough. Each I had like about, let me see, I think it's about 14 braids in total up front. I think so, either 12 or 14. So that alone took up 1 pack, well, 1 and some. So you could just imagine how I had to improvise and space it out to make it work. Okay, so don't get caught in a rut like me. Make sure you get enough packs to achieve the look. And as you guys saw, I definitely had to double up, meaning I had to attach the braid onto 2 cornrows in order to make it work, just to, you know, make everything fit correctly, because I had no way of getting more hair at that time, so I just had to make whatever I had work. So that's pretty much what I did. But let me know what you think about this hairstyle down below. Let me know if you have ever tried this on your teen or your, you know, your little one. Let me know if you've ever tried it. If not, let me know if you will be trying it after watching this video. I mean, it's really easy, and like I said, it's very lightweight, 12 inches. You can't ask for more. And of course it comes in natural colors, so you don't have to get any crazy colors, but we do have special colors as well, you know, like the T1B30, burgundy and stuff like that. I will link everything in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the giveaway announcement video coming up next. Bye.